Here's a wild one. Marinating chicken the right way can boost perceived flavor by over 50%. Not hype, when you balance salt, acid, fat, and thyme, you get deeper seasoning and juicier bites. Today I'm diving into chicken marinades, why they matter, where they go wrong, and how to nail them for weeknight wins or weekend flexes. Quick, simple, effective. From fast Tuesday dinners to crowd-pleasing Saturday spreads, let's talk the method behind maximum flavor. Let's talk mistakes first because they're everywhere. Number 1, not enough salt. Marinades without proper salt don't move flavor past the surface. Aim for about 1 to 1.5% salt by chicken weight. If your pack is 1 kilogram, that's 10 to 115 grams of salt. Number 2, too much acid, too long. Lemon, vinegar, wine, great in small doses. Sit chicken in straight acid and you get tough outsides and mushy edges. Number 3, time confusion. 15 minutes isn't enough for bone-in pieces. 2 days, too far with acidic marinades. Number 4, fridge fail. Marinating at room temp is a bacteria party. Always chill. Number 5, wet sear sadness. Pulling chicken straight from a drippy bag to a hot pan steams it. Pat dry before cooking. Bonus, reusing marinade raw. Don't, unless you boil it. Now types of marinades and how to use them. Acidic, lemon, garlic, oregano, olive oil, or soy, vinegar, ginger. Ratio, roughly 3 parts oil, 1 part acid. Add salt, plus a touch of sugar or honey to balance. Great for thighs, drums, wings. Time, 12 hours in the fridge. Enzymatic, yogurt, pineapple, papaya, kiwi. These tenderize fast. Tip, use yogurt for gentle tenderizing and flavor. Garam masala, garlic, lemon zest. Time, 2 to 8 hours. For fresh pineapple or papaya, keep it short, 30-90 minutes, or it turns mushy. Oil-based umami, minimal acid, packed with fat and flavor. Olive oil, garlic, herbs, chili, plus umami. Boosters like soy, fish sauce, miso, Worcestershire. Salt matters here. Time, 4 to 24 hours. Quick combos you can steal: lemon, olive oil, garlic, oregano, salt, honey, yogurt, cumin, coriander, paprika, garlic, lemon zest, salt, soy, brown sugar, ginger, garlic, sesame oil, chili flakes. Here's the secret technique that never fails: the hybrid brine marinade. Step 1, salt first. Sprinkle 1.5% salt by chicken weight directly on the meat. Rest 30 minutes uncovered in the fridge. Step 2, bag it with a balanced marinade, about 3:1 oil to acid, plus aromatics, a teaspoon of sugar per pound, and an umami splash, soy fish sauce. Squeeze out air. Step 3, time it right. Cutlets, strips, 30-90 minutes. Boneless thighs, 2 to 8 hours. Bone-in pieces, 6 to 12 hours. Whole spatchcock chicken, 12-18 hours. Step 4, keep it cold, 34-40 degree, 4 degrees Celsius. Step 5, before cooking, pat dry, light oil, then high heat sear or roast. Optional, boil leftover marinade for 2 minutes to use as a glaze. Result, juicy inside, cherry outside, flavor all the way through. Quick recap: salt is the engine, acid is the brightener, oil carries flavor, umami deepens, and time plus temperature make it all work. Treat marinade like seasoning with a schedule.